everyone. Welcome to English-based skill. It's time to learn. Lesson number 3. Reading practice. In this video, we will learn how to make sentences with I am. Are you ready? So let's get started. I am excited. Repeat again. I am excited. Now your turn. I am learning. Repeat again. I am learning. Now your turn. I am creating. Repeat again. I am creating. Now your turn. I am exploring. Repeat again. I am exploring. Now your turn. I am growing. Repeat again. I am growing. Now your turn. I am trying. Repeat again. I am trying. Now your turn. I am sliding. Repeat again. I am sliding. Now your turn. I am crawling. Repeat again. I am crawling. Now your turn. I am hugging. Repeat again. I am hugging. Now your turn. I am adventurous. Repeat again. I am adventurous. Now your turn. I am confident. Repeat again. I am confident. Now your turn. I am expressive. Repeat again. I am expressive. Now your turn. I am thoughtful. Repeat again. I am thoughtful. Now your turn. I am patient. Repeat again. I am patient. Now your turn. I am respectful. Repeat again. I am respectful. Now your turn. I am blessed. Repeat again. I am blessed. Now your turn. I am positive. Repeat again. I am positive. Now your turn. I am sorry. Repeat again. I am sorry. Now your turn. I am shining. Repeat again. I am shining. Now your turn. I am proud. Repeat again. I am proud. Now your turn. I am giggling. Repeat again. I am giggling. Now your turn. I am determined. Repeat again. I am determined. Now your turn. I am full of energy. Repeat again. I am full of energy. Now your turn. I am imaginative. Repeat again. I am imaginative. Now your turn. I am brave. Repeat again. I am brave. Now your turn. I am so special. Repeat again. I am so special. Now your turn. I am generous. Repeat again. I am generous. Now your turn. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe us for more educational videos. Bye-bye.